Ever wanted to create that glowing effect around your highlights, but you don't own a black mist filter? Well, you can kind of do that in Lightroom, and we're gonna learn just how to do that. You wanna start with your image and go up to your masks and create a new mask, and this time you're choosing luminance range. Once you have luminance range selected, you want to use your eyedropper, which is automatically selected, and choose a highlight. This is now what it's bringing up. Everything in this section is fully selected, like 100%. And then from this point over to this point, it goes from 100 down to 0. So if I bring this all the way down, everything is now selected, but that's kind of like 0 opacity selected all the way up to 100. Now we're gonna drag this up until the red isn't touching our highlights, but it's actually kind of blooming out a little bit. And you can go show luminance map to get a similar effect, but it looks a lot easier to see. We're gonna reduce that. We're going to now start making some changes, and we're just gonna drop the clarity. We're gonna drop dehaze as well. You can see that that's kind of blooming out. You can go to your tone, increase your highlight, and bring down your exposure. And that is creating more of that sort of effect, which is nice, brightening it up just a little bit. Then you can go to your color and really start tinting it if you want to in the highlights. Maybe you want to warm it up, maybe you want to cool it down. We could go warm and green. And now let's look at our before and our after. It's quite heavy here, so instead of having here, you might want to bring down the amount slider and play with it until you're quite happy with where it sits. You can do this to any image that has some highlights in it. Drop that clarity, change the exposure in the highlights, change the tone, the tint and the color, and you're good to go.